If you have a lot of joints to glue up, but they're all just a hair different, how do you tell them apart? I've got your WoodChip tip for that. If you've got a project with a lot of similar joints, you might run into the dreaded situation where one tenon fits great in one mortise, but not in another. This can happen for all sorts of joints, like sliding dovetails, dados, regular dovetails, and even box joints. When it comes time to glue up, this can be a source of stress as you try and figure out which of your 10 otherwise identical apron pieces go where. The usual solution is to write or otherwise mark the joint or near the joint. It's easy to mark on the tenon, but it's a lot harder to mark on the mortise, so this tends to be next to the joint. And sanding off next to the joint, that can be a nightmare. And what if you've applied finish before the glue up? The solution? Colour-coded sticker dots. These come in a wide variety of colours and sizes. I'd recommend the 1 centimetre size dots. That way they'll fit into more areas than larger dots, but they're still visible from a reasonable distance. I paid about $8 to get this set, which contained 140 stickers per sheet and 10 sheets and 10 different colours. This allows me to use different colour coding for each pairing of joints. Best of all, once you're glued up, the stickers peel right off and you'll get the right joint every time.